Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study chapter in SPL, chapter 3, the government. You all know what is government. A government is a group of people responsible for managing the policies, actions and affairs of country or a state. In India, the government acts on behalf of citizens of the country to ensure the welfare of the citizens. As in a class, a teacher plays important role in laying down rules, monitoring the rules are followed, punishing those who fail to obey the rules, and resolving conflicts among the students. A teacher performs all these functions to ensure the smooth functioning of the class. Similarly, a government performs a variety of functions to ensure the smooth functioning of the country. It makes laws, monitors the implementation of the laws, and punishes those who do not obey the laws. Now, why do we need government? A government performs a variety of functions in a country or state. And these functions are like to provide various facilities and services such as healthcare, education, employment, banking, transport, sanitation, lighting, electricity, transportation, and to manage fairly distribute the resources of the country among the people, to provide relief materials to the victims of natural disasters, to enforce the laws and maintain law and order in the country, to safeguard the borders of the country from foreign attack, foreign invasion, to maintain cordial relations of the country with the other nations, to promote the exchange of goods, services and ideas. So, the government performs a variety of functions to make our life smooth and happy, peace and safe. Now, the levels of government. There are three levels of government. The government functions at three levels: national level, central or state, and the local level. The central government makes the laws for the entire country. It is situated in New Delhi. The state government makes the laws for state. It is usually located in capital of the state. Lastly, the government functions at local level, that is city or town or village. Now, the laws and the government. At each level of governance, a government performs its function by making and enforcing laws. For example, in order to ensure the safety of the people on the roads, there is a law that people driving a car must wear the seat belt. A person driving a bike should wear a helmet. As a means to make people obey this law, anybody caught violating the law is penalized. The enforcement of laws is important, as without the enforcement, laws would not be of much use. The people of a country also plays a vital role in the enforcement of laws. If the citizens of the country feel that a particular law is not being followed, they are entitled to go to the court. For example, the law of the country prohibits discrimination on the basis of caste, class or gender. Thus, if a person is discriminated on the grounds, they can go to court to seek the justice. The government maintains equality before the law. If a person feels that he is being discriminated on the grounds of caste, creed, religion, place of birth, he can move to the court. The court have the power to issue the necessary order to give justice to the aggrieved party. Now, the different forms of the government. A government can be of different types, as a democracy and monarchy, depending upon who gives the government the power to make and enforce the laws. Democracy. The people of the country hold the real power to run the government. As India is a democratic country, India is the largest democracy in the world. However, they do not participate directly in the process. Instead, they elect their representatives to form the government. These representatives make laws on behalf of the people. The representatives are answerable to the people for their decisions and actions. Due to the representatives' nature of this government, it's called a representative democracy. Now, the next form of government is authoritarian type of government. In authoritarian government, the word means absolute obedience to the country authority. Thus, an authoritarian government places restrictions on the activities of individuals and groups. In this, a small group of people or a strong political party controls all the decision making in government. As Egypt, Syria, etc. have popular authoritarian type of government. In the beginning of the 20th century, the general awakening was awareness among people led to the suffrage movement. So students, present we are studying only this much. In next day's class, we will be studying further about the suffrage movement.